vehicles are moving at a fast pace. Your vision is not clear. You bring confidence. Thumb and ring finger. Hold the middle and index fingers. The ring and little fingers are held straight and side by side touching. ಬಲಗೈಯನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಮಧ್ಯದ ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳು ಮತ್ತು ಉಂಗುರ ಬೆರಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಮಧ್ಯದ ಮತ್ತು ತೋರು ಬೆರಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಡಚಿ ಉಂಗುರ ಮತ್ತು ಕಿರುಬೆರಳನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Hey, my horoscope says I live for 90 years. Nothing is going to happen to me. I just cross. You may make it. If you want to do anything successfully, you must have clarity, isn't it? If clarity has to come, the most important thing is your spine should be in a certain condition. And if already there is damage setting in, the best way to regenerate your spine would be by doing Yoga Namaskar. It has all-round benefits for the entire body. Yoga Namaskar is a very simple and complete process for itself. A natural upsurge of energy will happen if you just keep your feet together and sit down in a squat. So there's